Good Thursday. You might have seen a picture of this in the community. It's a vintage egg poacher. The auction listed it as being from the 50s, but the base says 1921. All the little tidbits I found online, and there aren't that many for this company, like the automatic perfect egg timer and manufacturing company. If it is from the 1920s, it's really kind of bizarre because it looked gorgeous. I don't know where my normal, this is very sharp. I don't know where my normal knife is that I've been using for years. Oh man. It's very exciting. Oh, there's newspaper. Oh, that's good. I don't know if this is aluminum. I don't know if it's chrome plated. Holy cow. Now, the seller made me an offer I couldn't refuse. I think it cost me $17, plus shipping. Oh, it's just, this is insane. This is insane. Hold on. Oh my God, it's heavy. Holy moly. You know, it looks like those old decanter, looks like silver. Old decanter and salt shakers, you know? This is heavy. This was a company that dealt with hotels. I need my other glasses. I can't see. Now I can see. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is an egg poacher. Wow. This looked white in the auction, but it's bare wood. I wonder if it comes off. We could refinish it. I wonder if it comes off. I want to I don't want to break it right off the bat. I can refinish this. Oh. Oh, wow. Can you imagine? Like, I'm going to sand it and then coat it with some polyurethane. Oh. That's wonderful. The old print ads I've found for this company were in hotel magazines for hotel service. Look at that. Look at that. All right, here we go. Let's see. I showed a picture in community of the bottom. I don't know if we can. It's going to be hard to see. At least hard for me. I'll show a close-up photo if this doesn't work. Perfect Egg Poacher, manufactured by Perfect Automatic Egg Timer and Manufacturing Company, Fulton, Chicago, Fulton Street, 1921. There is a word that says patent, but there's no number. I do not see a patent number. This is just gorgeous. It's like 3 Mile Island. It's like freaking gorgeous. I don't know. It's gotta be. It's chrome plated. It's gotta be chrome plated. This lifts them off the base. Oh, check this out. Wait. Oh, hello, my name is Fred. It's spring load. It feels like it's springy. Oh! Eggs drop out. Is that freaky? That's amazing! It's freaking incredible for 1921. Look at the metal. It does look like it's plated. But this is freaking incredible. It's like surgical. It's like a surgical instrument. Like from the Wizard of Oz. I think we're gonna have to make some eggs tomorrow morning. Usually when I say we have to make eggs tomorrow morning, we cut to text, launch into the music, and we make our eggs. Last night on my Google Book search, I found a picture of this poacher. A picture of this poacher in a 1927 picture ad. It's really small. You have to look for it. It has the little loopy here. It has the wood top. It's very tiny, but it's very cool. I just had to show you that picture. 1927. If that is correct, even though it says 1921 on the bottom, that picture's from 1927, that makes this 97 frickin' years old. 97 frickin' years old. I think we have to make some eggs tomorrow morning. I'm gonna give it a coat of Spam. Should we put the eggs in before it goes in the water? I think so. I don't know.
Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is not gonna work. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Damn it. There's no room. 1, 2. I lost some egg whites. Oh. I don't want to ruin these. Is that going to be hot? That's going to be hot, right? How am I going to do that? I think that one's done. This one doesn't look done to me. Can I lift it out a little bit and see what happens? Okay. Water stays in. That's dripping, that isn't. Oh man. How about that one? Let's do it, Now, how do you do this so? This one's draining. Well, there's a lot of water still left in that one. This will... Alright, I'm releasing the water. Okay, so I'm going to set this on a plate so I can relax.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh! Oh! One went on. Oh, can I edit it? Did I break the yolk? You know what? They came out pretty easy. Salt and pepper. Pepper. This is the one that went in second. It's overcooked. Oh, they're both overcooked. Oh, it's okay. Oh, we got yolk. Not much. It's my first time. 97-year-old poacher. Okay. It tastes good though. Oh, we got good yolk in that one. come on. No, not really. Just a little. Just a little. At least they're not hard-boiled. It could be worse. All right. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna wash this up. And thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say?